Everybody, we're back in the garage working on the N54 E93 swap. So as you can see behind me, it's completely done. The only thing we have left is I want to swap the flex plate from the old motor to this one and do the rear main seal real quick. So to do that, I got to get it off the engine stands. And if you're not familiar with this build, I'll link above the rest of the videos. So we bought this car for $3,300 with a crack in cylinder 3, and we've been swapping in a new N54 block, or new to me N54 block. So check those videos out. But today what we're gonna do is I'll be taking the flex plate off of this motor. So we're gonna get this off the stand, remove the flex plate, and then we'll finally take this off the stand, remove the flex plate, do the rear main seal, and then bolt on the old flex plate, and then we can put it in the car. So I think we're ready, so let's get started. So I've got the old motor back on the stand out of the way, so we're pretty much done with that, thank goodness. So now we can finally remove this out of here and get it up front so we can get it on the hoist. So I'm going to clean this area off really good, and then we'll get the seal removed. Alright, so I bought a tool set on Amazon. Basically just type in BMW seal puller set and you'll be able to find this. But so this piece comes in there with these bolts, and so you'll use these bolts to screw in to the pulley bolts, or to the pulley bolt holes, and this will press the seal in for you. So once you do that, now you can get the seal removal. So with this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to screw this in to the seal. So start by hand, and then when you can't go by hand anymore, you can switch to a wrench. So the seal comes out. So just want to make sure you screw this piece on pretty tight before you start loosening the bolt, otherwise it'll just slip out. So now we can clean this up with a rag and some brake clean and get the new seal and the guard on. So now I'm just going to clean the inside with a microfiber. Soak it in some brake clean and just kind of wedge it in there and get it nice and clean. Alright, so I've got the Loctite primer from FCP. So it comes with a little paintbrush, and we're just going to coat where the bed plate meets the engine block really well with this stuff, especially on the inside. So we'll do both sides. And this is where the Loctite sealant is also going to go when we put the gasket in and we inject it. And so now that we have that all primed up, what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing to the seal, and we're going to put the tool on that's going to press our seal in. So the other thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to coat the actual hub with some oil to make sure that the new gasket slides right on. So we'll do that right now. So once you have this aligned and you've clocked your seal so that these grooves line up with the seam of the bed plate, you're going to take this part, which lines up, has this little groove that goes against the seal, and you'll put that on there, and you'll take this nut so now once we have the seal in there, we can remove this tool. So FCP Euro fucked me again, and so I don't have the actual plunger that comes with this, so I'm just using a socket to kind of press it. But now what you're going to want to do is just stick this needle in here and just squirt the sealant in. So now we'll switch around to the back and do the rear main seal. Alright, so we're back up front. We're going to remove these two bolts and replace them with these bolts in this guard. So alright, so we got the flex plate back on, and we've got the front crank torqued down, so this engine is ready to go in. So that's it for this video. The next video will be this engine going in. I've got a lot of work to do this week, so it might be a week or two before I'm able to actually drop it in, but stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and I'll see you guys when we're putting this in. Thanks for watching. I'm just really trying to show you love. Say you tired and you need a new love.